Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on how I trim my hair. So the first step is to section your hair. I section my hair into 4. Also, I normally do this on my day 3 to day 4 hair. So I further section my hair and I'm gonna cut my hair curl by curl. I think here I was trying to say that my hair was matted together and I couldn't get it to separate. So I'm gonna cut off like an inch or a half inch. So I normally trim my hair myself, but I don't know, as time passes, this was done in March, my hair is getting really unmanageable and it's really long, and I really think I want to see a professional to cut my hair. I'm gonna link a few people I want to check out that I saw on Instagram. There are 2 foreign hairstylists that I love watching, and then there are 2 local people I really want to go and try. I think I saw Style is Priority. She had a special for the months June to July, so y'all can check her out. Also, Hair by Dana. Their work is amazing from what I saw on Instagram, and so I'm really considering checking them out to get my hair trimmed and maybe some highlights. I don't know yet, still thinking about it. These 2 that I'm plugging in here, these are the 2 guys that are foreign that I really love watching. So the reason I trim my hair myself is because I had really bad experiences with people cutting my hair, where they straightened my hair before cutting it, and this resulted in my hair being long and short. This was because the middle of my hair has like a really tight coils, and the back has a looser curl pattern. And when I wore my hair curly, there was a significant difference in the length of my hair, and it used to look weird. So I resorted to trimming my hair myself, and it worked. But now as my hair is getting longer, it's becoming a little difficult, and I really need help. So yeah. So I forgot to mention, it's important to use shear scissors when cutting your hair. When I first transitioned, I used a paper scissors, and it resulted in me getting a lot of split ends. Also, another reason I don't go by anybody else to cut my hair is because when they're applying heat, it stretches your curl and changes your curl pattern, which is another factor that, destroys your hair. So I must say, this is something that takes a really long time to do. You need to have the patience to do this, because Lord alone knows how long it takes. It's also relatively easier to trim your hair when it's short, or like shoulder length, compared to when it starts reaching chest length. So I highly recommend, trimming your hair for yourself if you don't want to go by anybody else. To have other people on YouTube, you can look up tutorials. It's really easy to trim your hair yourself. It just takes a lot of patience. finished doing half of my head. I'm going to do the next half off camera because this is really difficult to do and I can't see what I'm doing. But this is what it looks like so far. You don't see my clothes are looking a lot healthier. Yes, I'm finished. So what you want to do is bring all the hair to the front and you take the scissors and you look for any flyaways or like anything that needs trimming. And that's it, guys.